Alright, so let's talk about it. Every year, around the fall, the tech world hits a certain rhythm. It's a season of big announcements. One of the key events on the calendar is Made by Google. This is Google's time to shine, their Super Bowl keynote. They get on stage and show everyone what they've been working on all year. Think of it as the grand reveal for new hardware. It's more than just a product launch. It's Google laying out its vision for the future of our digital lives. We're looking at a unified experience that could shape daily tech interactions. First up, the headliners, the main event, the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro. These are the phones that get the most attention, and for good reason. Google has found a solid groove with its design. Under the hood is where things get really interesting. The heart will be the new Google Tensor G4 chip, Google's custom-built processor. Of course, we have to talk cameras. The Pixel camera is legendary. Rumors point to upgraded sensors, better low-light photos, more detail with less noise. Now here's a surprise that has the rumor mill buzzing. For the first time in a while, it looks like Google is bringing back a true XL model. Meet the Pixel 10 XL. We're expecting a massive display, probably pushing close to 6.9 inches. This would be a dream for anyone who loves watching movies, playing games, getting work done on their phone. But a bigger phone also means a bigger battery. This could be the standout feature, a true two-day phone for power users. The camera system on the XL is expected to be the best of the best. This would make it the ultimate device for mobile photographers and videographers. The first Pixel Fold was a solid first attempt. It was ambitious, but it had first-generation quirks. Now it's time for round two. The Pixel Fold 2 is poised to fix those issues. The biggest rumored change is the design. Thinner, lighter, much more comfortable to hold. Google's reportedly working on a new hinge that folds the screen more gently. One of the main areas of improvement is the inner display. More edge-to-edge, immersive viewing when open. Tensor G4 equals smoother multitasking on the big screen. If Google delivers thinner, lighter, a better screen, and powerful performance, the Pixel Fold 2 could move from niche to mainstream. Google's Pixel Watch has been steadily improving with each new version. With the Pixel Watch 4, it looks like Google is ready to address the thick bezels and battery life head-on. The goal for many users is to get through at least a full day and night of use, including sleep tracking. This combination could finally push its endurance into multi-day territory. The Pixel Watch 4 is expected to come with new and more advanced sensors. We're hearing whispers of a skin temperature sensor for more detailed health insights. A persistent rumor suggests Google might offer the Pixel Watch 4 in multiple sizes for the first time. This would be a smart move, allowing customers to choose the fit that's best for them. Alongside the big-ticket items, we're also expecting an update to Google's more affordable line of earbuds. Get ready for the Pixel Buds 2a. They're designed for people who want great wireless earbuds for listening to music and taking calls, but don't necessarily need premium features like active noise cancellation. This isn't just about selling individual devices, it's about building a connected ecosystem. You take a photo on your Pixel, it appears everywhere. Notifications flow seamlessly between devices. Google's approach is built on helpfulness and artificial intelligence. They want devices to anticipate and offer proactive help. Technology working in the background makes life smoother, a little bit smarter. That's why we watch Made by Google every year. A glimpse into the future of helpful technology. Google's vision, one device at a time, and it's always fun to watch it unfold.